Great content ideas for your Facebook Live events. Now that you know Facebook Live can be a great tool for promoting your business and your brand, how will you use it? Coming up with new content ideas for Facebook Live isn't always easy. So in this video, we have some great ideas for you so that you can create some awesome live events and market your business. Number 1, the how-to event. There are always many searches online for how-to type videos. People like to watch a video to learn how to do something, and you can give your audience what it wants by creating Facebook Live events around known problems and provide the answers that they need. When you create a live event video that really helps your audience, they will certainly appreciate it. Not only are you likely to receive a lot of positive comments and likes, but a lot of the viewers will share your event video with their followers. People will often watch a good how-to video more than once. They may not have got all of the information that they needed from the first viewing and need to go back and watch it again. So think about the how-to videos that you can create using Facebook Live to keep your audience happy and make them share with others. 2, new product launches. A lot of businesses successfully use Facebook Live to announce the launch of a new product or service. You can get the news out about your new launch party very quickly with live video. Create a live event to let your audience know that your new product or service is coming soon. Be sure to build up anticipation and excitement during the event. As soon as your product or service is ready, create a Facebook Live event around it. Invite all of the people that attended your first event so that you will maximize your chances of making sales. Make sure that you answer any questions that viewers have in both events. 3, expert interviews. If there are experts in your niche that will be willing to participate in an interview with you, then you can make this a Facebook Live event. This kind of event is usually advantageous to you as well as the expert. Ask the expert to notify all of his followers, including their email list and other social accounts, when the event is taking place and what will be discussed. Your expert will know people that you don't know and vice versa. When you are just starting out, you will benefit more, but over time, this will even itself out. 4, product or service demonstrations. This will work well for a lot of niches. Let's say that you sell a software product. You can use Facebook Live to demonstrate the different features of your product. Maybe you have added new features and want to get the word out about these fast. Facebook Live is the ideal way to do this. Demonstrating the features of a product or service is going to help you to sell more of it. People do not always pay attention to product features, and when you enlighten them with a Facebook Live event, you have a higher chance of converting them. 5, Ask Me Anything or Q&A. This is a great idea for Facebook Live content once you have established your brand. People really like these kinds of live events, and they will usually have high levels of interaction. A live questions and answers session always goes down well. You can structure these events around specific problems that your audience has. For example, they might want to know how they can generate more traffic to their website. So, create a live event that will answer questions from your audience around this. By carefully choosing your subjects, you can keep your audience focused and get higher levels of engagement. In the next video, we will discuss how you can create the most engaging Facebook Live events.